Now let's do echo problems. Echo problems are a little tricky because you're having to really understand what's going on. Let's say you set a wave off and it goes down to the bottom of your well, and say we tend to do wells as deep and canyons as wide. So let's do well first. Let's say it's got a depth of D. How far does the sound have to travel? All right, it comes down, it hits the bottom, and comes back up. So the total distance the sound has to travel is twice the distance because it's got to go down and come back. Now, speed is distance over time. So you have to go back to the very definition of speed. It's the total distance over the total time. Now, suppose you have a canyon. Suppose you have a canyon that is this wide. All right, once again, the sound has to come down, hit the canyon, and then come back. So here, the total distance is 2W. Don't let the two um, different symbols confuse you. Now, Polly is standing on the bottom of a wide canyon, leaning against it. She shouts hello toward the opposite end of the canyon. If the speed of sound is 340 meters per second, so that's easy. V is 340 meters per second. And Polly hears her own echo 4 seconds later. So the total time, how wide is the canyon? Okay, so it's this distance right here. All right, so this is W. All right, so the sound goes down and it comes back. So velocity is total distance over time, but the total distance is twice the width. All right, divided by the total time. So let me solve this right here. V is 2W divided by the total time. Let's see, I need to get rid of my denominator, so I'm going to multiply through by period. So VT is 2W. So now I divide through by 2. So W is VT over 2. So the velocity is 340. The time is 4 seconds divided by 2. So 340, multiply your numerator. Let's start over. 340 times 4 is 1360. And then that's going to be divided by 2. So it's 680 meters. Now, the speed of sound is 330 meters per second. A girl hears an echo in 9 seconds, so the total time is 9 seconds. How far away is the wall where the sound echoed? Okay, so basically we're asking for the width of the canyon. So velocity is total distance over total time, but the total distance is twice the width divided by the total time. I'm going to solve this for W. So I'm going to multiply both sides through by the total time. So VT is twice the width. I'm still looking for the width. So I'm going to divide both sides through by 2. All right. So the width is the velocity, which is 330, times the time, which is 9, divided by 2. So 330 times 9 is 2970 divided by 2. This is 14. 1,485 meters. If you always do the algebraic steps one at a time, you won't get confused.